GarageBand is a useful tool for the classroom. Students are able to produce an audio track or ringtone to demonstrate their knowledge and understanding of subject content. Producing an audio is no simple task. It does take time and ability to get everything the way you want it. The production process may take away from the main purpose of the audio. Therefore, it's important to be clear of the expectation and requirements for the task. The benefits of using GarageBand in the classroom creates flexibility and creativity. It gives students the freedom to be creative and have fun demonstrating their understanding through a method that they understand. Students can use GarageBand to create an audio, explain how to solve an equation, or the order of the planets in the solar system. The audio tools could then be used as a teacher resource for your own classroom teaching. These uses the ICT capabilities, apply social and ethical protocols and practices when using ICT, creating with ICT, and managing and operating ICT.